Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to improve your English speaking skills and gain confidence in speaking alone, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll share powerful exercises that will help you practice English by yourself and develop fluency over time. Speaking English alone is one of the best ways to build confidence and train your brain to think in English. The more you practice, the more natural your speaking will become. You don't need a partner, just consistency and the right techniques. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video on English fluency and learning tips. Many learners believe they need a conversation partner to improve their speaking skills, but that's not true. Practicing alone helps you focus, eliminates fear of making mistakes in front of others, and allows you to progress at your own pace. It also helps train your brain to think in English, which is a key step to fluency. Let's explore the best exercises to practice speaking English alone. One of the easiest ways to practice speaking is by narrating your daily activities. As you go about your day, describe everything you do in English. I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am making coffee. This exercise connects English with your actions, making it easier to think in the language. Start with simple sentences, and as you get comfortable, add more details. I am making a strong cup of coffee because I need energy for the day. You can also try doing this exercise in front of a mirror. Seeing yourself speak helps reinforce your confidence and lets you focus on your pronunciation and facial expressions. A simple but effective way to build vocabulary is to label objects around you. Walk around your home and name everything you see: table, chair, window, phone. Then go a step further and describe them. The window is large. The phone is black. Try to form full sentences. The chair in my living room is very comfortable. By doing this daily, you expand your vocabulary and train your brain to recall English words faster. You can also write down new words and revisit them later to reinforce your learning. Try making flashcards with the name of the object on one side and a short description on the other. A great way to simulate conversation is by asking yourself questions and answering them in English. What do I need to do today? I need to finish my work and go grocery shopping. What did I eat for breakfast? I ate toast with jam and had a cup of coffee. How am I feeling today? I feel happy because the sun is shining. This method helps you get used to forming sentences quickly and naturally. If you want to challenge yourself, record your answers and listen to them to assess your fluency and accuracy. Choose a random topic and talk about it for 5 minutes without stopping. It could be your daily routine, a past experience, or even an imaginary story. Yesterday, I went to the park. The weather was nice, and I saw many people walking their dogs. The key is to keep talking, even if you make mistakes. This builds fluency and confidence. If you run out of ideas, try using a list of conversation prompts or storytelling cards to keep the flow going. Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately. You can use podcasts, YouTube videos, or audiobooks. Choose a short clip, listen, and repeat while imitating the speaker's pronunciation and rhythm. This improves your accent and speaking flow. Try to choose speakers with clear pronunciation and a pace that matches your level. If necessary, slow down the audio and gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable. Record yourself speaking on a topic, then listen to the playback. Identify areas to improve, such as pronunciation and sentence structure. Over time, you'll hear your progress and gain more confidence. You can also compare your recordings over time to measure how much you've improved. If possible, share your recordings with a teacher or language exchange partner for feedback. Instead of translating from your native language, practice forming thoughts directly in English. Start with simple ideas. I am hungry. It's a beautiful day. I need to buy groceries. Gradually expand into longer thoughts and opinions. By doing this, you train your brain to think in English naturally, which reduces hesitation when speaking. Pick a topic and argue both sides. Is social media good or bad? Should schools have longer holidays? This improves critical thinking and the ability to express ideas in English. To make it more interactive, write down key points for both sides before you begin, so you can challenge yourself to present structured arguments. After watching a video or reading an article, summarize it in your own words. The video was about healthy eating. The speaker gave 3 tips: eat more vegetables, drink more water, and avoid sugar. This trains your brain to process and express information in English. You can also do this exercise with books, news articles, or even movie plots. Write about your day, thoughts, or plans in a journal. This reinforces thinking in English and improves writing skills. To enhance the effectiveness of this exercise, read your journal entries aloud to practice pronunciation and fluency. Another powerful exercise is practicing tongue twisters. These are fun and challenging phrases that help improve pronunciation and clarity. Try saying, "She sells seashells by the seashore," or "Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers." Start slow and increase your speed as you get better. This will help you articulate words more clearly in everyday conversations. If you enjoy role-playing, pretend you're in different scenarios and act them out in English. Imagine ordering food at a restaurant, making a phone call, or giving directions to someone. This exercise makes speaking practice feel more natural and prepares you for real-life situations. Another excellent way to practice speaking alone is to describe pictures in detail. Find an image online or use a photo from your gallery and describe everything you see. Talk about the colors, objects, people, and what might be happening. This helps improve descriptive skills and encourages more complex sentence formation. To develop your ability to express emotions and opinions, take time to describe your feelings and thoughts about different topics. Instead of just saying, "I feel happy," try expanding it. "I feel happy because I received good news today. It made me feel excited and hopeful about the future." This helps deepen your language skills and makes your conversations more engaging. Another advanced technique is storytelling from different perspectives. Take a simple event and tell it from different points of view. For example, describe a day at the beach as if you were a child, then as an elderly person, then as a news reporter. This exercise challenges your creativity and strengthens your ability to adapt your language use. Be consistent and practice daily, even for a few minutes. Don't be afraid of mistakes, since errors are part of learning. Expose yourself to English through movies, books, and other content. Speak out loud as much as possible and don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to make speaking English a natural habit. The more you practice, the faster you'll improve. By practicing these exercises daily, you will build fluency, confidence, and natural speaking skills even without a partner. Keep practicing, and soon, speaking English will feel effortless. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight, but every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which exercise you found most helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English fluency tips. See you in the next video.